time for video number 2 of the YouTube build for the front wheel drive Dragster. Today I'm gonna show y'all what engine I put in. I'm gonna show y'all that I already got the engine installed, and for a little bonus I'm gonna show you what ESC I'll be running. So make sure you stay tuned to the end to check that out. So first thing first, I want to give a big shout out to my wife for getting me a new hobby desk off of Amazon Prime Day. If y'all missed it, I feel bad for you, but got me a pretty cool desk in. So now I can get back to making more content and better content. Got a few bodies down here that I had in the garage. Let me see what we got right here. Oh. Alright, so let me show y'all what's done and what motor we will be running in the YouTube Dragster. I can't really figure out a name for this car yet. If y'all could help me out, y'all can put in the bottom of the comments for which name y'all think will fit best for this one. And I greatly appreciate that. Let's go ahead and get this joker up. Well, now that she's open, we see I already got the servo in and hooked up. I got the motor in. There you go, so y'all can check it out. This is a Trinity Dragster that we will be running on this one. I got my wires in nice and neat. I got them soldered to the best of my ability. They might not be perfect, but they soldered to the best of my ability. And then on the gearing, since I'm doing all this for the YouTube, we are starting with the stock gearing that come with the kit, and then we're going to move up as needed to see what type of times we can achieve. One thing I'm going to try and do with this one is I'm going to try and change one thing at a time, just so I know which parts make the best upgrades. Coming to the back for the suspension. This is already some springs that I had on another one of my Tamiyas. Instead of putting the ones that come in the box, I was on a little bit of a budget, so I just snatched a set of these off real quick and I put them on. They work just fine. I'll probably upgrade the spring itself to a stiffer spring rate, maybe in the back. This one isn't too stiff, and I don't know, maybe lighter in the front. On this build, I would like to see if I can get more clearance on the front. So instead of me having the back up and the front down, I might try and even it out and go with a straight rod on this one. I'm not too sure, but we're going to work it out. We're going to start from the bottom and we're going to work our way to the top. One thing I did forget to mention, that if you think you're going to be racing one of these, definitely as far as drag racing, or I would even say circuit racing, is that you will have to upgrade the diff on the inside, which I've already done. You will need a M07 TA06 Tamiya diff gear. I run the ones from, I run the racing diff gear. And one thing that I did learn from my last one up here is that it comes with plastic gears, and you're better off just going ahead and getting the metal gears. So that's just a little tip, something to look out for if you're going to be trying to get one of these up to power. Now, my last reveal for this video is that we will be running a Hobby Wing Xeron XR10 Pro ESC. This is 160 amp ESC right here. This is the most powerful ESC that I have. I already have it unboxed and all that other good stuff, because one thing that I learned in drag racing these RC cars is that if you ain't XT90, you ain't nothing. So I already got this one converted to XT90. I'm not even going to say converted because it doesn't come with any plugs on it. So we already put an XT90 on there, and then we got our soldering on. Got our tips on right there too. And one thing about this one, it comes with extra parts like a fan and stuff. This ESC is supposed to come with turbo boost on it. And a few other upgrades that I have never experienced before. On this time, I'm going to take y'all through the whole process from beginning to end, from running it first with the stock base map, and then all the upgrades that I do to it and the tuning. So this is the ESC that we'll be running. Once again, I appreciate y'all for checking it out. This is the most expensive ESC I ever bought in my life at about $160. So I'm hoping that it will make a big difference compared to the ESC that I have on my first build right here that I keep blowing parts out of. This one just has a 120 amp hobby wing on it. This one got 120 amp. I forgot. This is a quick run right there. This one right here should be way better. 160 amps. It should put out enough amps to get that drag motor rolling. So y'all give me a second while I go ahead and install this, and I'll let y'all see what it looks like before I get out of here. Got the motor installed, got it wired up, got the hobby wing ESC in there. I don't even know how to tune this ESC yet. I know how to tune quick run, but I have never tuned one of these, even though I got one in my truck too. But I still have a lot to learn with these too, so hopefully y'all stay with me through this journey. Got them plugged in. Still running the Fly Sky. XT90, brand new. Alright, thank y'all for checking out this video. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. Second, y'all already know that this video was brought to you by Bear Hobbies, the #1 place for me to get all my parts. The #1 place in Tampa for hobbies and anything else. Definitely want to come to RC Drag. So y'all stop in there and check them out. Thank y'all. Look out for video #3. Appreciate y'all.